We are okay. So what Praveen has to say about Priyanka and Dheeraj?
I want to say that it's always nice to be with you guys because whenever we see you, we feel so cheerful. And your smile is so nice, both of you.
Thank you.
And your personality is very attractive. Everyone wants to be with you.
Yay! Yeah. Kinara.
It's very nice to meet you. And actually, when you are in the field, I should say it is great spirit that he has come to support you in the field, working with you. I have never seen any other husband in office doing like that. And you are very punctual. You come first, which is a good quality for an ideal teacher. And very active you are. You make the crowd very cheerful. Thank you.
Thank you.
I think there's a sound नहीं आएगा. You have
हाँ? Okay. Okay.
मेरा चेहरा कितना
उसका वॉइस के लिए ब्यूटी की बड़ी है.
voice आए ना आए.
ठीक है. मैं इधर करके ऐसे बात करूँ.
दीपा सब एक जैसे आना चाहिए. ऐसे नहीं कोई पतला कोई मोटा.
रेडी? या उसको देख के बोलो, मेरे को मत देखो. मेरा फेयरवेल नहीं है.
what can I say? The first thing I like about you is your dancing. It's cheerful. When everyone is watching you dancing, they actually feel like they want to dance. And I'm not going to forget our dance, the Pardesia one. I enjoyed it a lot.
Yeah, me too.
And I think one thing I would like to mention here is you as a teacher with kids, because you go there up to their level to make them understand how the steps should be done. You also explain the meaning of steps and explain the meaning of the lyrics of that song so that children do understand what they are going to do.
Yeah?
And what can I say about Dheeraj? As Kinara said, you are the most supportive husband I have ever met.
Always.
Yeah, because I do remember our practice sessions. We used to practice until 9 o'clock, and he used to stay with you with kids. I can understand how difficult it is to go back at 9 o'clock, get your kids ready, do cleaning and cooking, everything. So that's all really nice.
Yeah. See, everyone is so happy to, listen also. सबके चेहरे खुश. Yeah, hi Priya.
Priyanka, what shall I say about you? सब लोग ने ना सब बोल दिया. But still, this is the first time I noticed you was a folk music festival, and in that pink and purple sari, the most beautiful dance I had seen, and the song which you chose was lovely. And then I got an opportunity to learn from you. That was the best part for me. You're an amazing teacher, not only for me, for my daughter also. She has learned quite a lot. I have learned quite a lot. And as everybody has said, Dheeraj is the most supportive husband I have. No offense. I have really seen. Really, he is like a pillar for you. And I can see him growing because of that. All the best for your future. Hope to see you soon. Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah. Biggest fan आपकी.
दीपा को पता.
Hi Priyanka.
Hi.
Okay, obviously you are a very good dancer. No comments about that. Everyone knows that you are a good dancer. The most important thing is you are very motivating. You're not motivated for yourself, but you try to motivate other people. Like when you're teaching us, when we say we are tired, you say like, girls, come on, once more, once more. So that really motivates people who learn dance. And what else about Dheeraj Bhaiya? What I can say is I really appreciate your patience.
That's in my name actually.
Tell me something that I don't know, बोल रहे हैं.
No, it doesn't mean that way. But that's the meaning of my name actually.
Yeah, it has automatically heart. So it has come up very nicely. And thanks a lot for making people dance who never danced. And I wish you a very good luck for your future. I wish you should build yourself up and start a dance school in future.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
I really need wishes now.
Okay.
My turn.
Yes. Pandit ji, start.
Oh my god. I just want to say thanks to Priyanka. I never participate in any activity anyway, I'm too busy. But my son got lots of confidence to perform in everything. And thing is, obviously I don't want to come here today. Because I was so tired, to be honest. But he forced me to come. Said, no, Mama, we have to go. Priyanka auntie, we have to go. So I just came here because of him, and I really, really appreciate you, Priyanka, and God bless you both of. So you make the Barking actually live, not only our community.
Yeah.
We feel live in Barking. We feel like we have someone here. We can enjoy. We have our community. We have socialized something. Because in childhood and when we was young in a college, we dance a lot. We done lots of things. We was missing that thing here. So we got that. And actually I was planning to participate this year. I don't know, I think it's flop now. Hopefully somebody will come.
Yeah. Think positive always.
So thanks so much and God bless you both.
Yeah. Hi, Harika.
Hi Priyanka. First of all, I want to say I love your smile. When you dance, I don't take off my eyes from your dance because I love your expressions. I love your expressions. I always see Madhuri in the same way I see your face.
Is it?
You're so dedicated to your work. I like that. And you get that liveliness in everyone when everyone is dancing. You get that liveliness. I love that. Thank you. Thanks.
Yeah. Sudha.
Very nice to meet you, and you got a lot of patience. I have seen that when kids learning dance, she never got even angry face. And you're always punctual, having a small kid. I like it. And you always smile. I love that.
Oh. Did you see? So everyone had their own bit of, some takeaway from you. Oh, nice. Thank you, Sudha. Karuna.
Hi Priyanka.
Hi, Priyanka.
I'm looking video.
Yes.
First, I would like to say about Dheeraj because of the
Hello, Dheeraj. Idhar.
Priyanka. Because of without him, she couldn't do Priyanka because of that he is such a really good, wonderful husband, and you really helped a lot. Without your support, every time we saw with 2 kids, you managed that time. She done very well. And Priyanka, obviously, I'm a big fan of you, especially when you dance, your expressions and way of style and teaching, and you have so much patience also, especially that one is I'm really appreciating. And one more thing, you have a good talented person. Don't break that. When you go India, you can plan in future also. You can open one dance school related that. You have that talent.
Yeah. Listen.
Show this video. Show this video when you open your dance classes.
And wherever you go, she spreads her with expressions and everything. Actually, I really impressed that.
Yeah. Thank you. Hello, Anil.
I totally agree with her. Archana.
Karuna.
I find Dheeraj more supportive and understanding, especially with two kids. It's very hard, and for a male, women they are more they can understand things, but being a male and then to be working full time, and he is more supportive, and I find him more caring. That's what.
दो वर्ड प्रियंका के भी बारे में बोलो. बोल दो.
About Priyanka. You are a good teacher, but you have your own unique style, and everybody else does have theirs. So you have to find that particular how I can teach him my own style if I wanted to teach him or her.
Style and it's plus masti.
Yeah.
So you dancing and plus you enjoying together. It's not stressful. Isn't it? Yes. So I missed it anyway.
We'll do after this session. We'll do.
Ah. Yeah, thank you, Anil. Okay, hi Srinath.
Hello.
Hello.
To start with, first time I saw Priyanka dancing in 2011 in our Ganpati event there. I
Yeah.
thought she was a very good dancer. Yeah.
Dhol.
And then when Deepa first said that we are fine, I'm looking for a teacher and I think Priyanka is a good teacher, I was very skeptical about it. Because I know you were a good dancer, but being a good dancer and being a teacher is very different.
Exactly.
And then when I saw you there, I was like amazed. You know, the way you are very methodical. In fact, you will fit into any of these IT jobs, corporate jobs very well. The way you go about doing something. And then about Dheeraj, what I found was as a person, he's a very good taking you out of the equation. Whenever I meet him, he's like a brother. You can talk anything to him. And then when I see you both together, I always tell Deepa, because she keeps talking to you and she keeps on the speakerphone. And the way you both interact on the phone, I always tell her that they don't look like a young family. They in fact look like a 60-year-old couple. Where, they say the relationship matures over the time, right? You are like that. So I always tell her, I want to see them at 60 years when how they are they still like the same. So
It will be younger. It will be younger.
Yeah, when it's
दोनों एक दूसरे की नजर करने वाले.
Dimbu or Hariminchi.
Yeah, but we are, as a community, we all will miss you very much. So we would. That's all. Please keep in touch with us. Hopefully, we all will go back to India someday, and then we'll all meet there.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi.
Okay, hi.
You learned it
Yeah,
now.
hi. So, as everyone said everything, so there's not much for me to say. It's all opinions, it's my opinion. But all I would say, I want to see from Dheeraj is he has to dance. I'm trying since day one to make him dance.
Yeah.
But this is the day now I can make him dance today. And that's to couple. Right? As a teacher and then as a student. Yeah? So I want to see you as a dancer. But all I can say is all I can wish you as a good luck and have bright future. Don't step back. All you have to step is forward. Take as good. And for you got more talent. You can just get on the step by step and up way. That's all I can bless you. So it's good that you're going India. I feel like I'm back to India, then I feel happy. So But I don't know about you. But I feel if someone is going back India, I feel like happy. They are living life very happily. Rather than here, they feel very happy going back India. That's why I said, congrats, you going back to India. So, yeah. At last, you're back to your place now. So that's why I felt.
Something which you are also.
Back to fruit, yeah. So that's why I felt. So congrats again.
Okay.
అదే చెప్పా కదా, if anyone goes or if I go to India, I'll be feel happy.
Don't get motivated,
Yeah. So thank you everyone. It was really, really a next level of which we went today, because every time we.
Kids want to say something to
Yes, we didn't finish. Yeah. So let's first hear to kids.
Your message.
Okay, my message. Yes. First, I'm thanking everyone, because every year we do this. We send off someone and we say thank you. But this year it was a privilege. Actually, good that you suggested about video, because please take it back. I'm sure you'll watch it many times. Dil se jo sabne bola hai today, it was fantastic actually. You all just didn't say something like a generic greeting card. You all spoke your heart today. So it was superb. And for me, I must say that, an organization is as good as its employees or as good as its team. And the level what we are today is because, Priyanka, you had actually, your entry into the team was like a, what is that card called as? Luck card. It's like a, that trump card थी आप में को. मतलब एक पत्ता जो किस्मत ही बदल देता है. You had your talent and an attitude. Like Srinath said, really you said right. You can fit into any block. I must say that. It's dance को तो मैंने, dance is one bit that I have seen you, but it was you and me who managed the 50th anniversary together. And that, I'm saying, for me was like, I was blessed to have you. Attitude is not which I can get in or I can push it. It was, you had that. And what else can I say that how lucky I was? So my luck was you. I hope that you're leaving some of the luck still in barking and going, and we all take it more forward. And so this year we got many more opportunities coming up. That was only because, as I said to Dheeraj, that was a foundation we laid last year. So all our foundation was very, very strong last year. And now, hopefully we get many more these things, many more opportunities. Dheeraj, thank you Dheeraj. She couldn't have done it. She couldn't have done it in the cold weather, all alone, with the baby. Because baby has to be in the hand. And everyone used to say me that how was I managing with Vihan. But you guys were another level of reality. So super thanks to you. And anytime that I had to talk to Priyanka, I was so okay to talk to you on that topic, because we were seeing, do insan ek jaan kind of a thing. So, and like he said, that's because we talk about the way that you, jitna jugalbandi hai ab dono mein, it's like that matured couple who are, it's lucky your parents might be, happy that Rab ne bana di jodi kind. So, well done guys, you're doing great. Thank you. So,
Now, what do you want to say?
अभी बार-बार मत बुलाओ, मैं रो दूंगी और कुछ नहीं होगा.
मैं क्या बोलूं? मैं तो ऐसे भी नहीं बोलता ज्यादा.
इतना भी धीरज ठीक नहीं है रखना.
बोलो. कर दो चलो.
तेरी तारीफ बार-बार मैं करूं? इतनी तारीफ हुई है आज के लिए काफी है.
मेरी तारीफ कभी नहीं होती है.
इतनी तारीफ हो गई काफी है आज के लिए. But what should I say? Actually, you all have said what is actually the thing is. So I'm very happy to be in her life and very happy to see her in my life. And I wish I can continue to support her as I have been so far. So that's it. But thank you so much for everyone who have come down to bid farewell to us. But it's really great to see everybody here. And it's good to be part of the community here, and at least we were doing something and we are giving back something to the community. So it's all overall, it was a very good opportunity for all of us to be part of it. Thank you.
Well done everyone. Okay, बच्चे कौन?
Yes, you want to speak? Dheeraj uncle.
I want to say that it was really fun with them. We played a lot and it was not only just like dance. We played a lot and we had fun most of the time. And we got to not only show each other our dance, when we did we did it in Asda's and in the station, we got to show a lot of people and a lot of people interested, so our talent didn't go to waste, and that's all because of Priyanka auntie.
Thank you.
Well
Thank you, Priyanka, for all the lovely steps and for the children and adults dancing on the stages. Thank you, Priyanka auntie, for teaching us how to dance, and I think you could become a big famous dancer too.
Oh,
For teaching dance and all the best.
thank you.
Priyanka auntie for being the best dancer.
Well done.
पूरा मेरे को आना चाहिए.
हाँ, कम्युनिटी कॉनकॉर्ड के तरफ से, अब सारे ऑर्गेनाइजर्स के तरफ से, किन्नरा, हारिका, हमारी जो ऑर्गेनाइजर्स हैं हमारे तरफ से, एंड और द कोऑर्डिनेटर्स, ये सब जो है उनके तरफ से, वी विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. एंड जाओ, कौन से गाय टू से समथिंग. So
Priyanka is blushing.
स्टार से ब्लश कर.
yeah, so other said, हम इतना ही अच्छे हैं जितना हमारा टीम है. You can see so much, so much of energy here. And whenever we used to have long discussions, एक ही बात, दोनों, ये बंदी तो आपकी इतनी बड़ी फैन है, आपकी हंसी देखने के लिए नीचे आती है. और वो पीछे है, उसकी बेटी आज रो रही थी और वो गई भागी बारिश में खाना लाने को, सब कुछ. I'm telling, because आपको बैकग्राउंड में पता होना चाहिए. It's not just what they have said today. In practice, heartfully they love you. So everyone, each one of them will miss you like anything. Your presence cannot be filled with anyone, Priyanka, because आपका डांस ही नहीं है.
First time.
यस, आपने जो डाला है आज घंटे, सारे कुकुम्बर, सारे टमाटो काट के मैडम ने, हाँ, बिना एक ही नाइफ से हमने सारा ये किया है. एंड
नाइफ भी ठीक नहीं चल रहा था.
सरस्वती भी, मेरे को डांस नॉर्मली मैं नहीं करती, प्रियंका के हार्ड वर्क के लिए ही मैं नीचे आ रही हूँ. सब लोग एक ही बात, प्रियंका, आप दोनों के क्या बोलते हैं, आप दोनों एक स्टेप आगे हमारे लिए हो, तो इट वाज सो इजी फॉर अस. हम पहले भी टेक होल प्रिविलेज, लाइक वी आर द कोऑर्डिनेटर्स, वी आर द ऑर्गेनाइजर्स. अभी तो आपने एक ब्लर कर दिया है वो लाइन. सो एंड सुधा भी वहाँ पे आ गई, अपना चुन्नी बांध ली और वो काटने लगी. सुधा, एवरीवन वांटेड टू डू अ बिट ऑफ कंट्रीब्यूशन. प्रवीण, आपको मैं वहाँ फोन के पीछे से देख रही हूँ, बट शी वॉज फॉर गणपति. जितने श्रद्धा से तब किया था उतने ही चाहत से अभी शी गॉट देयर. जो भी पैकेट भी चाहिए था बैग से, अपना सारा सामान मेरे सामने ही, सारा सामान बैग में ऐसे डाल के पैकेट दे के हमें आ गई. जितना भी जो हो सके आपके लिए कर रहे हैं प्रियंका. टेक ऑल दिस पॉजिटिव एनर्जी फ्रॉम हियर एंड गो, एंड प्लीज बी हैप्पी थ्रू आउट योर लाइफ. छोटी छोटी चीज़ें आती रहती है लाइफ में, प्लीज इग्नोर देम, बिकॉज यू आर सच अ ब्यूटीफुल पर्सनैलिटी. सॉरी धीरज, यू एंड प्रियंका, take this baggage with you and this is the baggage of happiness. सबका आशीर्वाद है आपके पास, आपके साथ. We might be younger than you or older than you, but our wishes are like blessings to you for rest of your life. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
To carry all our messages.
ये तो ससुराल जैसा हो गया है. ये तो कुछ शादी जैसा हो गया.
और नहीं तो क्या,
आज कुछ
मिस करे तो करे भाई.
It's okay.